My name is Peter Sirois. I'm the owner of American Steel Fabricators. We're a everything in the steel spec fabricator and installer. We cover New England in the Northeast U.S. We've been in business for 34 years. Well, one of the most time-consuming parts of producing an estimate is just going through the drawings and finding all of the scope. What Contravault has done is, with the scope identifier, has done a lot of the grunt work or a lot of the busy work that takes time, so that way my experienced estimators and also my partner and I, who do a lot of our own estimating, we don't have to waste our time doing that kind of stuff. We can just do the higher skilled stuff that comes from lots of years of experience, but at least it's teeing it up for us so that way we can be more productive. And I believe once we're done finishing the program, I believe it will double my throughput as an estimator. If I'm just wearing an estimator hat and just working on estimates, I think it'll make me twice as fast. And I'm already really fast. We like the hold points where it'll prompt you and say, hey, I think I found this item. Is this really what you want to price? And then we say yes or no, and then it will roll it into a nice organized spreadsheet so that everything is there at the fingertips for my estimator, so that he doesn't have to keep flipping back and forth through drawings. Everything is right in front of him at his fingertips. He's got the benefit of the AI, the Contravault go, no-go analysis. He's got the benefit of the how it goes through and digests all the thousands of pages of specs and will paraphrase it and give you hyperlinks. It's really about speed. Like, I don't want the AI to do the thinking for us. I want it to do the legwork so that we can do the thinking faster. The way that I want my staff to do it, the long, hard, slow way, get every nut and bolt figured out, it would take about 35 to 45, maybe 50 hours to generate a bid like that. Okay. And with the scope identifier and the go, no-go analysis and the paraphrasing and the indexing that it does, where it kind of gobbles up all of the information that they dump on you with the invitation to bid, and it helps you to boil it down into the key stuff that the estimator really wants to know. It takes about 60 or 70, maybe even, depending on the job, it might even take 80% of the work and get it out of the way, so that way the estimator just has to do the final finishing touches.